A viewer named Tim gave me his grandma's lemon Jello cake from 1965. It's called Nonnie's Jello cake. Are you ready? Let's go. Tim says that this is made in a bundt pan, so I've got a bundt pan here, and I'm going to prepare it with this right here. Get a bundt pan and prepare it. Now, if you're old school, since this is an old school recipe, feel free to go ahead and get your lard or your Crisco out and put that in your pan. Grease and flour your pan. This already has the flour in it, so I'm going to choose to use this. I've had really good results with this. Get you a large mixing bowl and get a yellow or white cake mix. Put your cake mix down in your bowl. Add 4 large eggs. Boys! Boys! Oh my gosh. 1 3-ounce box of lemon Jello. Trust the process. This recipe calls for Wesson oil. Y'all, I didn't even think they made Wesson oil anymore. I've got this Wesson oil cup from way back in the day. This was back in the 70s. That's a Wesson oil measuring cup that came with a jug of Wesson oil. 3/4 cup of Wesson oil. I bought specifically whole milk just for this recipe. 2/3 cup of milk. Add in juice from half of a squeezed lemon. Okay, I got it all in there. It says mix everything together. Here we go. Like that. And then pour that into that prepared pan. Y'all, what are you up to? My dogs are going crazy today. This is actually not a bundt pan. This is a tube pan. But my bundt pan has intricate designs in the top, and I purposefully wanted a flat top because you're supposed to poke holes in the cake when it's done, and so you can pour the glaze down in it. And I wanted to do it in this pan, so there you have it. Use whatever pan you want. Whatever makes you happy. It has to bake it for 1 hour at 325. It's in the oven. Bake at 325 for 1 hour. Y'all know I gotta taste this. That's good. While the cake is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and make this glaze. So you need the other half of that lemon, and you need to squeeze out the rest of that lemon juice into the bowl. 1½ tablespoons of water, a dash of vanilla, it's a big dash, 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar. My grandma also called it confectionery sugar. Tim, I'm using my grandma's metal 1/2 cup measuring cup to make your grandma's cake. Mix that all up. I can tell you right now, this cake is gonna be wonderful. What's not to like? It's a lemon cake. I'm just waiting for the cake to get done, and I'll pour it over the top after I poke holes in it. I just took her out of the oven and she smells wonderful. Put some holes in there. And then I'm gonna pour that glaze all over the top. Pour it on there while it's hot. There we go. Can you see the lemon glaze there that went down inside of the cake? Okay, are you ready? Sorry, my laundry's in the background. Wow, I can't wait to taste it. It's crunchy on top because of the glaze. Listen. It's super duper moist. Oh my goodness. That lemon, it's so lemony. And that glaze on top is just perfect because it's not too heavy. It's really light, but it's nice and sweet. So you know, you're gonna have to make that. Yum! Thanks, Tim. As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the video description. Enjoy.